Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix margins on Google Docs. One way is to use this ruler right here. If you don't see the ruler, come here, click on view, make sure show ruler is toggled on. Now, what people actually usually do is they come and bring this indent, let's say to, let's say half an inch. And it only moves the header. Don't do that. Let's go ahead and undo this. You want to highlight the whole document. You can press Control A and then use the ruler, okay? Then you'll be able to do it for the whole of your document, the margins. As you can see, it moves everything, okay? Now let's go ahead and undo all of that. Come back here, and what we're gonna do, the other method, you come and click on File, scroll down, and I want you to click on Page Setup. From here, we'll choose to apply to the whole document because we don't have anything selected. If you want to select a specific thing for a paragraph, just highlight that. Paper size, I will go ahead and choose A4. And margins from the top, let's go ahead and do 0.5 inches from the bottom, 0.5. And left, let's make it 2 inches. We'll leave right as 1 inch. Let's see what this looks like. And there you go. You can just go ahead and do what you're happy with, what you're looking for. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.